Let's model a water glass bottle. Plastic high gloss material used. All dimensions are in millimeter. Indent feature used to remove material from bottom. Okay. Now let's see. We have one front view. Then there is a one section view. I just hide the section line to sh- save some space. Then there is one bottom view. Now, if you see bottom view in section view, there is a concave surface. See, so this is going to create with the help of this phantom line. You will see all corner fillets are 1 mm. We will see how we can do this. Let's make the first body. Now, total height, upper diameter 60, lower diameter 40, 80. Then height 12 millimeter, and this middle height is 150 millimeter, because we are going to create here curves, as well as we are going to create a dome shape inside, and depth is 10 millimeter. Okay. Front plane sketch, activate line tool. Right click, exit. Smart dimension 150, 12, and this one is 30, and the bottom one 80 divided by 2 is 40. Now go to feature. I want to make a circular body. So apply revolve boss base feature. Now in this case you have to choose one axis of revolution. So I'm going to select this one, and you will see by default angle applied 360. Keep direction blind. You can change any direction, no issue, because this is symmetric relation body. Okay. Now let me change this real view. Okay, let's go to insert feature, and I'm going to choose here dome 10 millimeter. Let me select the bottom. See, let's make inside reverse. Okay, fillet. Now constant type fillet, symmetric radius. I'm going to choose 2. Now this inside radius 2 millimeter, this one is 3 millimeter. So select this one 3, enter. Come down, select bottom. Bottom one, make it 8. So in short, in one tool we will apply 3 radius. Say, look how it looks like. Now let's create this bottom part. Angle 25. There is a one body 5, 13, 1, 10. All corner fillets are 1 millimeter, and you will see this is exactly 10 millimeter below this dome shape. So we will see how we can do this. Front plane sketch, activate center line. See, this is the bottom escape. Okay, let me again activate line. Make sure these lines are construction line. Draw the shape. Smart dimension 5 millimeter, 13 millimeter. Now gap from this tip to 1 millimeter, and this height 10 millimeter. Okay, it's still not defined. Let's find out why. Okay, these line horizontal, It is fully defined. Now go to feature, apply revolve boss base feature. Now axis of revolution, choose this one, but here apply angle, let's say 25 degree. Make it here, let's see, and see material moving only one direction. So here apply mid plane. So material flow both side equally. Okay. Fillet. Constant type radius 1 millimeter, because this is already mentioned. So I'm going to select one and select the first part, and it will select all. Let me choose upper one. Bottom one we can leave, no issue. Okay. Let's do one thing. Circular pattern. For direction I am going to choose this. Body, select this. Equal space 360 angle and number of patterns 4. Yes. Now with the help of this, there is a one tool, go to insert feature and indent tool. With the help of this, you can use one solid body and remove material from other solid body. Target body, this body, select this one. Remove selection. I want to remove material along with this. Cut. Now here see 10 millimeter distance is applied. So the material going to cut up to 10 millimeter of each body. So the small portion going to cut from this, because this is come in the range of this bodies. Say okay. Now let me delete this body. Direct editing, delete or keep body, delete body. Select these 4 bodies. Okay. See, this is how we done. Now see bottom radius R1. You will see this is the what we did. Okay, let's create this rib. There are 6 number of ribs. You will see there is a phantom line 15, 85, 32, 40. Okay. Then you will see the depth of this 2 millimeter. 2 radius 2 millimeter 2 millimeter. Okay. Then inside radius R3, corner radius, not inside, it's corner radius, 4 number of radius. Okay, this one we already done. And shell thickness of this wall 1 millimeter. So we will use shell feature up to 1 millimeter. Okay, let me do front plane sketch. Activate here parallelogram. Select one on this outer edge, parallel, drag something like here, exit. Okay, let's do dimension 85, 32. Okay. Now distance from outer edge 40. And similarly depth 15. Look. Exit and go to feature and apply wrap feature. Now wrap type, choose deboss, because I want to cut hole inside the body. Now wrap method, let me choose analytical. Surface, select this body. How much depth? 2 millimeter. Okay. See. Fillet. 2 millimeter, no, not 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter. Let me choose only one edge and it will show you this option. So select the first one and it will select all 4 corners. Simply say yes. Fillet. This time constant type 2 millimeter and I'm going to choose inside only. Okay. Again fillet 2 millimeter. I'm going to choose this upper side. Okay. Look, here we done. Now let's use circular pattern. For direction, let me choose this face. 6 number of patterns we need. Now in this case, I have to select these all 3 fillet plus wrap feature. This all feature we have to choose. Say OK. Make sure select geometry pattern. Look. Now it's time to apply shell feature. Thickness 1 millimeter. Choose the upper face only because we need to remove material from here. Show preview and it will show you idea. If you don't see correctly, just simply say yes. And here we go. Okay, let me do one thing. Go to high gloss plastic, double click and see section view. Okay. See, this is the bottom face. And this is this pattern cutout. See. Don't forget to share and like our video and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.